Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best laminate floor cutters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Kanizz Home DIY ToolPolywood Flooring Handheld Cutting, Professional Heavy-Duty Laminate Flooring Cutter, Contractor Flooring Hand Tool V-Support Steel. Equipped with a durable steel frame, this one allows you to use it for a long time. The laminate floor cutter does not occupy much space as it has compact housing. Furthermore, it comes with better ergonomics so that there can be user comfort. It helps to minimize fatigue due to the comfort grip handle. Additionally, it is easy to use and allows you to make different types of cuts. You will also find a movable V-support that allows you to keep the board level. Additionally, it lets you have easy assembling and comes with clear instructions. It has a smooth surface so that you can clean it conveniently. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Goplus 36-inch Manual Tile Cutter, Professional Tile Cutter with Tungsten Carbide Cutting Wheel, Anti-Sliding Rubber Surface and Removable Scale, suitable for ceramic floor. The high-power cutting performance of this laminate floor cutter will ensure there will be smooth cutting. This comes with a tungsten carbide cutting wheel and is extremely durable. Moreover, it has a pressure of 1,650 pounds that allows you to save labor. The product makes accurate multi-angle cutting and comes with a stretchable scale. Furthermore, this has a premium frame of heavy iron and features a non-slip rubber pad. This ensures that it will be better stability, and you can assemble it conveniently. Additionally, this comes with better ergonomics and includes a non-slip handle for user comfort. At number 3, we have the SKIL 3600-102 Laminate Floor Cutter Saw with 36T Contractor Blade. Available in lightweight construction, this laminate floor cutter allows you to have easy transportation. You can easily take it to your project location and make the maximum out of it. Additionally, this makes solid cards and is perfect for different types of materials. It lets you have rip cuts, miter cuts, and cross cuts. This is a highly reliable product, and you can also make angled cuts. Moreover, this has no load of 11,000 RPM and lets you have easy installation. It comes in a complete set and ensures there will be clean cuts. Furthermore, it has a sturdy construction so that there will be enhanced longevity. At number 2, we have the MantisTol 13 Pro Flooring Cutter MC330 with installation kit gifts, for laminate floor, siding, vinyl plank. Composed of high-quality materials, this one will allow you to use it for a long time. The laminate floor cutter comes with grit oilstone so that you can keep it sharp for a long time. Additionally, it lets you have better leverage with less effort as it comes with a long handle. Furthermore, this is easy to use and does not require any electricity. It makes sure that there will be a clean application and operates quietly. Moreover, this is in lightweight construction and has the ability to cut multiple types of materials. It is a high-quality product and is ideal for professional applications. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bullet Tools 9-inch EZ Shear Sharpshooter Siding and Laminate Flooring Cutter. Here is a laminate floor cutter that offers clean cutting due to the dust-free construction. This comes ready to use and does not require any assembling. Additionally, it allows you to cut from anywhere you want, as this comes with aluminum fencing. Moreover, you can use it at any time you want as it has a quiet operation. The product does not require any electricity to operate, and it comes with a durable blade. It has high-quality construction so that you can use it for a long time. Furthermore, this has a maximum cutting capacity of 9 inches and is suitable for different types of materials. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.